Welcome to a new series of videos where I will be going through different Italian foods, trying different things out, going through a trip through Italy. You can call this series sort of like the execution squad of Italian foods. We're going to be starting in Naples and then moving to Venice, and then we're going to go down to Sardinia, and then finally to Rome. So, today we're going to be going to cheese, then later we're going to go to delusion, prosciutto, fish, melon, ice, and finally risotto. So, I have cheese, and let's do this thing. Every episode, I'm going to be going through a few different recipes, and today I will be showing you a caprese salad, I hope that's how you pronounce it, and a pizza, I also hope that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so I do not have tomatoes, don't like them, wouldn't eat them anyway. I have no care for balsamic vinegar, and I need to use the basil for the pizza later, so I'm just going to be taking my plate and slicing up some mozzarella, and that's going to be our caprese salad. Isn't that amazing? Oh man, I love mozzarella so much. And let's just plate it up all nice. I mean, look at that. That's our caprese. Oh, the glare. Oh no, the glare. Oh no. Okay, that's our caprese salad. I hope you enjoy. I guess I'm just going to eat it with my hands. I mean, it's good cheese. This doesn't seem really good. No. This is really good cheese, though. I guess we're just going to go to pizza now. Okay, so I'm going to be making the pizza. I don't have enough basil. Our basil plant sort of died. Not really, but sort of. And there's no basil at the store, so I'm going to be using a little bit of this stuff. I know it's sacrilegious, but don't kill me. And now, I'm going to take my mozzarella. Got my mozzarella, and I'll just lay it in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Then we take a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Then take some olive oil, take a little dish. And there you go. There's the pizza. It's ready to cook. Okay, the pizza's done, and I'm just going to put a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And then just cut it up. Very nice. And there you go. Pizza is done. First step on the execution squad, done.